How's it going, ding dongs? In today's video, I'm gonna install a Mishimoto oil catch can because this car burns a ton of oil. I don't know if it's blow-by or valve seals or whatever it is, but it stinks like oil, and maybe this will fix it. I don't know, we'll see. Before we get started, I just want to thank this video's sponsor, which is me, or technically Strudermade. This whole weekend from Friday today to Monday, we got a sale going on of 20% off almost everything. And we got new products like these keychains. We got 1UZ, 2JZ, the old Toyota logos, the Griffin one. I made 97 grills. These are printed in 4 pieces and put together with stainless hardware. Pretty dope. And I also have this designed. Everything you guys buy, all the money goes straight back into the car, and 3D printing equipment like more printers and better scanners and all that stuff, so that I could keep making more parts that you guys enjoy and keep making more content that you guys enjoy. So thank you so much for all the support. Go check out the sale, go check out the merch. I don't have it on right now, but you've seen it, so thanks again. Now back to the video. So the process is pretty simple. I'm gonna remove the PCV, drill it out, and also this pipe right here. I'm gonna remove that as well. And then I'm gonna mount the oil catch can somewhere over here probably. It's that easy, and the engine looks absolutely mint. So here we got the valve covers. I think I'm even gonna reuse the seals. They're still perfectly soft, don't seem to be leaking or anything. So I got this massive drill bit for this massive NPT tap because I got some dope fittings from Finish Line Factory. 1/2-inch NPT to AN adapter, then a 90-degree elbow to a push lock adapter. That's how we're gonna run the setup. So the only problem with drilling 1UZ valve covers is obviously these baffles. The pipes are behind the baffles. You can't get to them unless you drill out the baffles, which sucks obviously. So when I drill these, I'm gonna have to use a bunch of grease and go super slow. All right, I got a little clean spot going. Let's start by removing the old seal, or the old, yeah. I found this on eBay. They have the perfect size drill bit for the tap that you're using, so it's awesome. I don't know what the hell I'm gonna put this tap in though, because my handle does not go that big. I'm gonna put this on the slow setting. Little dab will do ya. Don't want to crack this. Yeah, see? That's it. Oh, nice. So a 16 mil socket holds that. Now the thing is, with NPT, since it's a tapered thread, so at the widest point, these threads are about 21 mil. So that's 21 there. So we don't want to go past that. Let's see how this goes. And this is why we greased it up. See? All that, all those chunks now not going inside. And it doesn't fit. Alright, there we have it. Got it all the way installed. I basically threaded it to like the end. I just kept threading it in, taking it out, putting this in, checking the depth. Also, I didn't really drill it that straight. I don't know if you could see, this side is a little higher than this side. See, that side's touching, but this side still has a small gap. So next one I gotta be a little more careful with the drilling. But it's tight in there. can't turn it anymore, so it should be sealed. Totally fine. I already rinsed it out with water. As you can see, it's all wet, so I'm gonna just set it down, let it dry out, and start doing the next one. So this one's a little different. You can't just remove it. It's a pressed in pipe, but it's pretty easy to remove anyways. And just start twisting. That's it. It's that easy. Just comes right out. Alright, valve covers are all dry, and I also soaked the bolts overnight in POR rust remover. I'm gonna try to get a black oxide layer on these. I'm gonna heat them up really hot and dump them in some oil, see if I can get them looking a little better. So now we can start looking where these are gonna align. So my only concern with this side is gonna hit the fuel line here. Alright, so I just did a quick test with the blowtorch. Got a MAP gas torch, heated it up, dipped it in some old oil. Black oxide bolt. It's that easy. I don't know how long it will last, or if it will rust, or what's gonna happen, but I'm gonna go get the fire going in the backyard. I'm gonna make a little cup out of some sheet metal and put all the bolts in it, and then just put it all in the fire, and hopefully they get hot enough, and then I just pick them out one by one, put them in here, and we'll have some black oxide bolts. Got the fittings all tight, so these are all tightened down now. I'm just gonna run it over this, doesn't really matter. And this one's tight as well. That's gonna wrap up this video, ding dongs. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this was informative in how to install a catch can on a 1UZ. It's pretty easy. Oh yeah, I never filmed this. The filter came in. So that's I think a Vibrant Performance filter or whatever. So that slipped right on. I haven't noticed a big difference in the smell. The oil smell is still there. This engine's probably not in the best shape. So yeah, super easy install. Stay sweet, ding dongs. I'll see you guys next week. Peace out.
have your passport? Did you get your driver's